All right, how's it going, guys? Welcome to Friday Fabric Finds. I am Mason. I work in the receiving department.
And I'm Clayton. I am the vice president.
We're just going to go through the Friday newsletter with y'all step by step and see what y'all see as well. So let's get started. So first off, we have the Friday bundle for the week, which is the Citrus Twist. It's a pretty big bundle. There's 12 pieces to it. It's actually, the price of it is $44.28. It's a lot of citrus type colors, you know, lemon, lime, orange. Think of Sprite, you know, some of those type of drinks. You got yellows, oranges, greens, all of those good colors. You got some florals on them, some patterns, different things like that.
All right, and then we have Home Sweet Home from Henry Glass. It has a lot of yardage and kits on those. It's a nostalgic and cozy group with some warm colors and some cross-stitched themes. Definitely has a very homey vibe. It's got a lot of good neutral colors, and it's just overall really good choice of designs from Home Sweet Home.
All right, so the next collection we have is from Moda. It is Honeybloom. It's a very spring-like collection. A lot of yellows, some blues, some deeper, darker colors to contrast with the brightness. There's actually some floral prints with some soft shades of aqua, yellow, and taupe. Feels very fresh and very crisp. Think of springtime, like I was saying. We have the full yardage. We have patterns, fat quarter bundles, layer cakes, charm packs, mini charm packs, and 2 kits as well. So be on the lookout for Honeybloom by Moda.
Okay, and next we have Vintage by Free Spirit. It has a little bit of an older feel to it. It's got vintage designs from Cave Facet, and they have been brought back for a limited time. And also some of them have been recolored. So we have a whole range of different colors and designs from them, all from Cave, and they look really, really nice. They did not offer bundles, but we did cut them, so fat quarter bundles are available from this collection.
All right, next collection we have is from Windham. It's called Promenade. Another very floral-esque peacock, actual colored looking collection here. We have some peacocks on there, some feathers, some scallops, colors of green, blue, lime, and teal. Whole lot going on in this collection. Very, very beautiful collection. We got the yardage, we have the fat quarter bundles, and we even have a kit for it, so be on the lookout for that.
We do have Cream Olivia Sue Quilt Kit, and that is with My Mother's Garden from Northcott. Regularly, this kit is at $104, but we have it on sale for y'all at $54.96. Pick that up while we still have supplies available.
All right, next, we've been talking about this the past couple of weeks, but we actually are gonna have the full reveal this Tuesday of the current week that you're watching this newsletter of our mystery kit, Matters of the Heart. So we will go ahead and show this across the table for y'all. Again, if you've been following along with this, you will have been seeing what this looks like fully. For those who have not, this is what it looks like. Very good sized quilt, very pretty. Tons of red and hearts and floral and a bunch of goodness. X and O's I see. Hopefully all y'all that did it enjoy it. If you haven't gotten into it yet, make sure you go ahead and grab you some and get along with this. So also with the mystery kit, I want to let you know that we still do have kits available. The price is $78.96. There's also free patterns for this quilt along. If you want to use your own fabric that's maybe not along with the fabric that we put with the kit, you can just get the pattern yourself. And there's also the Facebook group. Make sure you go join the Facebook group, the Fort Worth Fabric Sewing Room. If you have any questions or if you want to sew along with some other people and get to know some other people, whatnot, make sure you go check out the Facebook group.
We also have some new Villa Rosa patterns. We're getting these new every single month. We have 2 options. You have the physical printed card, which has the pattern on it, or you could get them as a PDF download. Either of which are going to be $2 for all of them. The PDF you can obviously get emailed in right away, or if you are a person who likes to have more of a physical card, we have those as well. Those are also great. And then when you do go on to select which one you want, either the physical or the PDF, it's going to be right there on your selection for the actual pattern itself, so you can just select PDF or the printed card. But like I said, we're getting new ones in every single month, so keep an eye out for those.
All right, next collection we're going to talk about is Shining Sea from 3 Wishes, a very colorful collection. A lot of different colors on here. It is, as you can assume, an ocean themed group. You got an octopus, you got fish, seahorses, dolphins, seashells, coral. There's also colors such as aqua, turquoise, teal, and even deep blue. Very colorful collection, very great collection. Think of some summer vibes, you know, out on the beach. We have the assorted yardage for it, as well as a kit. So be on the lookout for Shining Sea 3 Wishes.
And don't forget to check out our February bargains. We are adding new products to that daily. A lot of special deals, a lot of discounted items in there, so go in and check that out.
All right, so that's going to do it for this episode of the Friday Fabric Finds here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and enjoy this newsletter for this week. See ya.